Hi students, in today's session we are going to learn about the sample space related to playing cards for probability. Playing cards consists of totally 52 cards. It is a set of 4 types of cards, each having 13 in it. So 13 into 4 sets gives you totally 52 cards. And the 4 sets are basically this. You have 2 designs in red. These are called red suits. The first design is that of a heart and second one is that of a diamond. In heart you have 13 cards. In diamond you have 13 cards. Same way we have this black suit. Black suit has got spade and club. Spade has got 13 and club has got 13 cards. So totally in all we have 52 cards. Now coming to the individual 13 cards in each set. Here for example we have the 13 cards from the set of hearts. You have an A and then from 2 to 10 you have number cards or digit cards. And we have got 3 face cards, namely Jack, Queen and King. From 2 to 10 there are totally 9 digit cards in one set. So 9 into totally 4 sets will give you 36 cards, digit cards in total. Same way, face cards, there are 3 cards in one set and there are totally 4 sets. Therefore, it will be 12 face cards in all in one set of playing cards. Now, let us go on for the problems related to playing cards. These are a few repeatedly asked problem types. So, students, please pause your video for a few seconds. Try to get the answers by yourself and then you can proceed with the video for the actual answers for these questions. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of, first question, 2 of spades. So the question is about 2 of spades. How many such cards will be there? In spade, there are totally 13 cards, out of which you have only 1, 2. So, the event, the number of times the event can occur, that is only once. So, n of e is 1 and the number of events in the sample space, total sample space or the size evlama, it is 52 cards. Out of 52 cards only we are taking this one card. Therefore, the probability of the event is nothing but equal to 1 by 52. Question number 2, a jack. J. How many J can we see? We can see a jack of spade or a jack of club, or you can see a jack of heart or a jack of diamond. Totally in all these 4 designs you can have. Each design will have 1 jack. So, the number of events possible, that is getting a jack, it is totally 4 jacks are there in that set of 52 cards. So, n of s is 52. Therefore, the probability of the event of getting a jack is equal to 4 out of 52. Inno simplify panna 1 by 13 எழுதலாம். Question number 3. A king of red color. So, king heart and king diamond, both of them are red in color. Any other king is there red in color? No. So, number of events possible is nothing but 2 and number in the sample space is totally 52 cards. Therefore, the probability of getting a king of red color is equal to 2 out of 52 or you can take it as 1 by 26. Fourth question, a card of diamond. How many diamond cards are present? There are totally 13 cards present. So, the number of event favorable outcome is nothing but 13 cards out of the sample space of 52 cards. Therefore, probability of the event of getting a card of diamond is nothing but 13 out of 52, which is equal to 1 by 4. Question number 5. A king or a queen. How many kings are there? Totally 4 kings are there. Same way, how many queens are there? 4 queens are there. So, a king or a queen. So, the number of favorable events or the number of times the events can occur is totally how many? 8 possibilities. So the sample space is 52. So it is 8 out of 52 possibilities. So the answer is 2 by 13. A non-phase card. Totally out of the 13 cards in one set, 3 cards are phase cards. So 10 in one set. So totally there are 4 sets such as these. So it will be 40 cards which are non-phase cards. Or you can say there are 3 cards in each set to be phase card. So totally 12 phase cards are there. And out of the 52, if you subtract this 12, then as well you get 40 to be the non-phase cards. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 40. That is the non-phase card is 40. And the total sample space is 52. So the probability of event is equal to 40 by 52. Or you can say 10 by 13. Question number 7. A black phase card. So phase cards, there are 3 cards in each set. And in black you have got 2 sets. So a phase card which is black in color, that will be totally 6 in number. So the number of events possible is nothing but 6, whereas number of events in the sample space is 52. So it is 6 out of 52 possibilities. Or you can say 3 by 26. Question number 8. A black card. You know that there are totally 26 black cards. So a black card nu varumbodhu number of favorable outcome is nothing but 26 and sample space is 52. So you have it as probability to be 26 out of 52, or you can say 1 by 2. So the answer is 0.5 for this. A non-ace. Non-ace. How many aces are there? 4 aces are there. Okay. So totally 52 cards. Out of that, these 4 cards if you remove, it's going to be 48. So non-ace cards are 48 in number. So the events, it is 48 and the sample space 52, and therefore the probability of the event happening is nothing but, that is getting a non-ace card, is equal to 48 out of 52. Question number 10. Non-phase card of black color. So non-phase card. In each set, how many phase cards are there? 3. So out of 13, if you subtract the 3, non-phase card is 10 in number. And how many sets of black is available for us? 2 sets. So into 2 panna. So totally you have 20 black cards which are non-phase cards. So the number of favorable outcomes is nothing but 20 and the number in the sample space is 52. Therefore, the probability of the event of getting a non-phase card of black color is nothing but equal to 20 divided by 52. This can be written as 5 by 13. Next question. Neither a spade nor a jack. How many spades are there? 13 cards. And it should not be a jack. How many jacks are there? Totally 4 jacks, out of which 1 jack is belonging to the spade set. So you can say this 13 cards plus the 3 other jacks. So the total possible events that are present are those 13 cards of spade plus the 3 cards of jack apart from the one that is already present in this spade set. So the required event of getting neither a spade nor a jack will be equal to 52 minus this 16, and this is 36. So the number of possible events is nothing but 36 and number of sample space is 52 in all. So the probability of the event of getting neither a spade nor a jack is equal to 36 divided by 52, which is equal to 9 by 13. Question number 12. Neither a heart nor a red king. So heart should not be there. So how many hearts are there? You know, 13 hearts are there. And nor a red king. So kings. You will be having king of diamond and the king of heart will be already in this set of 13 hearts. So totally we have got this scenario of getting a heart or a red king to be what? 14. And my event is not to have a heart or a red king. So I'll subtract that from 52. So 52 minus, this is 13 scenarios, here it is 1, so totally 14. 52 minus 14, which is 38. So the number of possible events is equal to 38 and the number in the sample space is equal to 52, and therefore the probability of the event to happen is equal to 38 divided by 52. Next we will see one more type of problem. All kings, jacks, diamonds have been removed from a pack of 52 playing cards and the remaining cards are well shuffled. Now you take a card from the remaining pack and we have to find the probability. So which all cards have been removed அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, you have removed all kings. So totally there will be how many kings? 4 in number. Jacks will also be 4 in number. And all diamonds have been removed. So all diamonds, totally it will be 13 diamonds, of which already one king and jack has been removed. So it will be 11 diamonds pending, which has also been removed now. So how many cards have been removed? 8 plus 11, which is 19. 19 cards have been removed from 52 cards. So pending how many cards are there available? 52 minus 19. So now we have 33 cards available with us. Now find the probability that the card drawn is a red queen. So as per the question, right now we have only 32 cards. Out of these 32 cards, what is the probability of getting a red queen? See, in red color we have already removed all of the red colored diamond cards. So with that the red queen, one of the diamond queens would have got lost. So which is it pending? The queen of hearts alone is available now. The red queen, there are two red queens. One is for heart and the other one is diamond. But as per the question, they have already removed all the diamonds. Without that queen would have gone. So it is totally 1 in number. So favorable outcomes is nothing but 1. Out of the total number of cards is what? The sample space right now available is 33 cards. So the probability of the event is equal to 1 out of 33. Second subdivision, a face card. How many face cards are right now available? In this set of 32 cards, you will not have king and jack. So all kings and all jacks have been removed. Correct? So face cards pathina, out of the 12 possible face cards, already 8 has been removed. And all diamonds have been removed. Along with that, that one queen would have also got removed. So totally 9 face cards are not available in this set. How many face cards will be there pending? It will be only 3 face cards. Which are they? Queen of heart, queen of spade and queen of clubs. Because the diamond queen has also already been removed. So face card, available face cards right now in the set of 33 cards is nothing but these 3 cards. So the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3 and the number of sample space set is what? 33. Therefore the probability of getting a face card is equal to 3 out of 33, which is equal to 1 by 11. Question number 3, a black card. So how many black cards will be available அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னா, see, the kings and jack of black alone has been removed. All other black cards are still available. So out of the total 52 cards, 26 should have been black. Out of those 26, actually now because of this removal, we have lost 2 kings and 2 jacks of black. So totally 4 cards. What are they? King and jack of black. So totally 4 cards have been removed. So it will be in all 22 cards, black cards available in this set. So the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 22 for getting a black card and the sample space is 33. Therefore the probability of the event happening is equal to 22 out of 33, which is equal to 2 by 3. Probability of getting a heart. how many hearts will be there in all? 13 hearts should be there. Out of which now we have removed the king and jack of heart. So these two are nothing but king of heart and jack of heart. These two has been removed. So totally how many hearts are there? It is 11 in all. So the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 11 and the sample space is given by 33. Therefore the probability of the event to happen is equal to 11 out of 33, which is equal to 1 by 3. So this is how we work out all the problems related to probability playing cards.